How to fix CS2 not launching from Steam. So let's get started. If CS2 is not opening or you are wondering why won't CS2 launch, then damaged files might be to blame. There is a straightforward solution. Check the integrity of your missing games file within the program file folder. Open Steam, then go to the library, then right-click CS2, then tap on Properties and Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Corrupted files are some reason CS2 won't launch from Steam after updates. Now, the next method is outdated graphic drivers are a major reason CS2 is not launching after installation. Updating your GPU drivers also helps ensure full DirectX compatibility, and here is how to update them. Download the latest driver from Intel's site, or open GeForce Experience drivers and simply check for updates, or use Adrenaline software and tap on the updates. Simply avoid third-party driver updaters, they can cause more issues. Now, lastly, clear Steam's download cache. If CS2 won't download or you are stuck with CS2 download queued, this step clears corrupted temporary files that can interrupt game downloads. Open Steam, go to the settings, then tap on the downloads and click clear download cache and restart Steam and try downloading CS2 again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.